Look up here, Riyanka.
We are going to make gajar ka halwa.
Where is it from?
It is from Calcutta.
No, from Punjab.
From Punjab. And
look up here.
And my nana has been to Punjab.
Okay, what are the ingredients?
We have very few ingredients. We have
about 4 cups.
About 4 cups of shredded carrots that I shredded myself. 2 cups of milk, 2 cups
whole milk,
2 cups
of brown
sugar.
How much butter?
2 sticks of butter,
or 1 cup
or 1 cup of cow ghee,
clarified butter,
or clarified butter, and then at the end, for a little bit of color or flavor, I will add a pinch
of cardamom
powder.
And we are going to pressure cook this first, and then we are going to. Today we are going to make very famous Punjabi dish, GAJAR or carrot halwa. Here I had about a pound or 2 cups of carrots, and I took 4 cups of milk, and you can use milk and half, you can make it in 2, or you can use milk and heavy cream. I boiled it a little. I didn't have time yesterday, but because I had my classes at my studio, but what I did was I boiled the carrots in the milk and I thickened it. So you need about 1/4 of a cup of ghee, but if you want to eat healthy, you can use extra virgin olive oil, about a cup of sugar, and some almonds for dressing it. So it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. I added the ghee, or you can use butter, clarified butter. How many tablespoons? It can be 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons. And you can use olive oil as well. And as you can see that the carrots are mashed. They have a nice color and a texture to it. And I'm going to stir this for 5-10 more minutes. So friends, welcome back. Here I've been stirring or trying to fry in clarified butter or ghee the carrots, and now I'm going to gradually add about for 2 pounds of carrot over here. This would yield you about 4 cups. I'm going to gradually add about a cup of sugar, and it will automatically melt and caramelize in the hot as the butter is melting. It's catching color also. And at this point of time, I would like to even add, other than adding at the end, some of my nuts that I have. Cut it into small pieces and add. You can add anything. It can, I'm here adding cashews here. It can be any form of nuts. Not necessary that whatever the ingredient something requires, it can be substituted with other things as well. And now I'm going to give this a nice stir. And keep stirring it for 5-10 more minutes, because I like to fry my carrots well in this mixture. So here we can see that the gajar or the carrot is nicely thickening, and I have with me some cardamom powder. This is optional. The cinnamon and the cardamom are optional, but I'm just going to add a pinch of this for some extra flavoring. It's that extra flavor where people say, what is that extra special ingredient? So this is that extra special ingredient in the carrot halwa, and you can make carrot cakes out of these as well. Now I want mine to cook for quite some time because it can be prepared in 15-20 minutes and served. But what I will do is I'm going to add a little bit of milk. So that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom, and I'm going to keep stirring this till it thickens. Friends, welcome back. Now this is a very slow and detailed process of making the halwa. You can make it faster, but for halwa means totally the ingredient gets mashed up. And on low flame, as you can see, I am stirring this, and it's got its color. It's become a deep red. It looks gorgeous. I added, so this would yield about, it says 2 cups and 1 cup of sugar. But if you feel there's less sugar, you keep adding a little bit of sugar and it will caramelize. And as it caramelizes, the color turns into a deep red, and we keep stirring the bottom. It is a detailed process, but I like my halwa well cooked, and this would be preferable to do it when you take out some time to do this step, and it catches its color and texture and taste and gives a wonderful flavor in the mouth. And at the end you're going to put a little bit of cardamom powder for garnish. But on low flame, my gas is on the second. On low flame, I'm keeping on frying this till it catches its actual texture.